Angel number 2222 is an extremely lucky number that signifies abundance across every area of your life. If you've yet to realize these blessings, rest assured they are on their way now. You've gone through so much in your life lately. So many ups and downs. But nothing lasts forever. This is your sign from the divine that things are going to start looking up for you soon, dear soul. Now is your time to experience a life of happiness, health, and harmony. Trust the universe to deliver, and know that you are never alone during this process. Your guardian angels are surrounding you, supporting you, and helping you on your journey of self-discovery and abundance. What does 2222 mean for manifesting? For manifesting, angel number 2222 means that you have done everything right so far. It may have taken some time to realize your full potential, but now is the time for things to turn around. The number 2 represents duality, partnership, companionship, and harmoniously working with others. Therefore, this number is a clear sign that you are not alone on your journey and that you have the support of others, whether seen or unseen. Number 2222 also asks you to be patient, and to trust that the divine timing is perfect. Things will happen in due course, so there is no need to force anything. All you need to do is stay focused on your goals, believe in yourself, and keep allowing divine abundance to flow into your life. With this angel number, the universe will help you manifest all of your desires, quickly and easily. What does 2222 mean for love? If you are single, angel number 2222 means that your perfect partner is on their way to you. You have been through so much with past relationships. Maybe you've been cheated on, lied to, misled, but no longer. Now is the time for you to experience true love, the kind of love that you have always dreamed of. This person will come into your life, and sweep you off your feet. You will finally be able to trust again and feel secure in knowing that this is someone who will never hurt you or leave you. Get ready for the relationship of a lifetime, and stay open to all of the love that the universe has in store for you. What does 2222 mean for your relationship? If you are in a serious relationship, your angels send you 2222 to remind you that this is a very special and lucky time for your relationship. You have both been through a lot lately, and it has brought you closer together than ever before. This is a time of new beginnings, so make sure to cherish every moment that you have together. Enjoy the love and harmony that surrounds you, and allow the universe to guide you towards the relationship of your dreams. Whether you are newly in love or have been together for years, 2222 is a powerful sign that now is the time to commit fully to each other and embrace all that life has to offer. With this angel number, your relationship will be filled with abundance, happiness, and unconditional love. What does 2222 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 2222 is a very powerful sign that you are on the right track. You may have been through some tough times lately, but this is only temporary. The universe is guiding you toward your twin flame, and this relationship will be unlike anything you have ever experienced before. This is a soul-level connection, and it will bring you closer to your true self than ever before. Trust that the universe has everything under control and allow your twin flame to enter into your life when it is meant to. What does 2222 mean for spirituality? For spiritual growth, angel number 2222 means that the universe is sending you an abundance of blessings, guidance, and support. This is a time to focus on your inner growth and development, and it is an excellent opportunity for you to connect deeply with the divine. Surround yourself with positive energy, and stay open to any insights or messages that come from within. Make sure that you eat high vibrational foods. Nourish your body so that you have the energy to share your light with the world. Understand that you are a powerful being, capable of manifesting your highest desires. Now that you realize your value, your worth, you are able to step into your own power and lead the way for others to do the same. This is how you realize your soul mission and live out your true life purpose. What does 2222 mean for money and career? For money, angel number 2222 means that you are on the path to financial abundance and prosperity. This number is a powerful sign that your hard work will soon be rewarded. So even if you're still struggling now, take this as a strong sign of encouragement. Keep going. Never give up on your dreams. If you're looking for a career change or advancement, then this is also an excellent time to pursue it. You are being supported by the universe in your new endeavors, and everything that you need will be provided to you. Be open to new opportunities and take advantage of them when they come your way. The time is ripe for you to achieve success in whatever area you put your mind to. Take a leap of faith, now, and know that you are attracting what is right for you. Overall, angel number 2222 means that you are surrounded by love, light, and support from the universe. You are being guided on your path and everything that you need will be provided to you. This is a time of abundance, prosperity, and good luck. So make sure to stay positive, and take advantage of the opportunities that come your way. May all of your hopes and dreams come true.